Welcome to the Science Hub Academy. Have you ever wondered why sound needs air but light doesn't? Here we go. Introduction. Sound and light both transfer energy, yet they behave very differently. Sound cannot travel in vacuum. Light can travel through empty space. This difference arises from the nature of waves. What is a wave? A wave is defined as a disturbance that transfers energy from one point to another without the transfer of matter. Key points. Energy moves forward. Particles do not move forward. Particles only oscillate about their mean or equilibrium position. Oscillation. Very important concept. Oscillation means to and fro motion of particles about their mean position, like a pendulum. For instance, when a stone is dropped in water, waves spread outward. Each water particle moves upward and downward and then returns to its original position. Thus, wave propagates energy, not matter. Fundamental wave quantities. 1. Wavelength, lambda. Distance between two consecutive identical points, e.g., crest to crest or compression to compression. 2. Frequency, f. Number of complete waves passing through a point per second. Its unit is hertz, Hz. 3. Time period, t. Time required for one complete wave. T equals 1 over f. 4. Amplitude, A. Maximum displacement from mean position. Indicates energy of the wave. Or, more precisely, it is defined as maximum height of the wave. It shows energy. Wave speed relation. Wave speed depends on medium, frequency, and wavelength.
Types of waves based on medium requirement. 1. Mechanical waves. Require a material medium, solid, liquid, or gas. How they work? Energy is transferred through particle interaction. Particles collide and pass energy forward. For example, sound waves, water waves. Key property. Cannot travel in a vacuum. No particles available. 2. Electromagnetic waves. These are the waves that do not require any medium. How they work? Energy is carried by oscillating electric and magnetic fields. For instance, light, radio waves, X-rays. Key property. Can travel in a vacuum, space.
So why sound needs air but light doesn't? This is because sound is a mechanical wave, needs particles to transfer energy, cannot travel without a medium. Whereas light is an electromagnetic wave, does not depend on particles, travels through electric and magnetic fields. That's why sound cannot travel through space, and sunlight can travel through space and reaches to the Earth. Types of waves based on particle motion. Purple. 1. Transverse waves. Particle motion is perpendicular to wave direction. Features: crest, top, trough, bottom. Examples: light waves, waves on a rope. It means that wave moves forward, particles move up and down.
2. Longitudinal waves. Particle motion is parallel to wave direction. Features: compression, high density. What is compression? It occurs when particles come closer to each other. Space between particles decreases. Density increases. This is called compression, high density. Rarefaction, low density. What is rarefaction? It occurs when particles move away from each other. Space between particles increases. Density decreases. This is called rarefaction, low density. In a nutshell, particles move back and forth, creating compressions and rarefactions. For example, longitudinal waves, sound waves.
Real-life applications. Hearing sound equals longitudinal mechanical waves. Seeing light equals electromagnetic waves. Ocean waves equals transverse mechanical waves. Final summary. A wave transfers energy, not matter. Mechanical waves require a medium. Electromagnetic waves do not. Sound cannot travel in a vacuum. Light can travel through empty space. Now you know the secret of the universe. Why you can see the stars in space, but you can't hear any sound there. Like, share, and subscribe. Your support means a lot.